So we need to find out the value of a, and it's given that the distance between 2 points, one has the coordinate 3 comma a and the other has the coordinate 4 comma 1, and that's equals to square root of 10 units. So let's try to figure that out. So here we are going to name the 2 points. We're going to call point A with coordinate 3 comma a, and then we have another point B whose coordinate is 4 comma 1. That's given here. If we join the 2 points by using a straight line, the distance between these 2 points, that's square root of 10 units. Now we need to find out the value of this particular a. All we have to do is use the distance formula, and this is specified here. So here we have 2 points, point A and point B, with coordinate x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. To find out the distance between the 2 points, which is a straight line, that's given by square root of. Now underneath the square root, first what we'll do, we'll take the square of the difference of the x coordinate and add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. Okay, so let's use it. So our AV will then be equals to, so we'll have square root of. So first we'll have to take the square of the difference of the x coordinate. So if we take this to be x2 and this to be x1, or you can go the other way around, then we have 4 minus 3. So that's the difference of the x coordinate. We square it, and we're going to add it to the difference of the y coordinate. Since we choose with 4, so we're going to go with this y coordinate. So that's 1 minus a, and square it. And it's also given here that the value of AB, that's square root of 10. So we have square root of 10 equals to, so let's simplify the value inside the square root. So 4 minus 3, that's 1. 1 squared will be simply 1. Added to 1 minus a whole squared, so we can expand it. So we get 1 minus 2a plus a squared. Now in order to get rid of the square root, we're going to square both sides. So we're squaring both sides. So this leaves us with 10 equals to, so 1 added to 1, that's 2, with 2 minus 2a plus a squared. Now let's rewrite everything, and this is going to give us a squared minus 2a minus 8 equals to 0. Fine. Now this is a standard quadratic equation. We can use any standard method to find out the values of a. What we'll do here is use the factorization method by splitting the middle term. So we have a squared. So negative 2a can be also expressed as negative 4a plus 2a minus 8 equals to 0. We will take a as the common factor between the first and the second term. So we have a multiplied to a minus 4. Then from the third and the fourth term, we will take positive 2 as the common factor. So this will get multiplied to a minus 4. So now we have a minus 4 times a plus 2 equals to 0. So we're getting two values. So either a minus 4 equals 0 or a plus 2 equals 0. So solving for a, we get two values, 4 and negative 2. So we're coming to option. Option B is going to be the correct option. So a point, this value a is going to be either 4 or it could be negative 2, such that the distance between these 2 points A and B, that's going to be equals to square root of 10 units.